Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run an ad in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then what you need to do is you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for the Google Ads, and when you search for the Google Ads, it will simply take you to this page. You have to simply click on that website. Then here you will get the option of sign in and start now button. Here you have to just simply click on the sign in or the start now. Then the next step is it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the create icon from here. And once you click on the create icon, you will get the option of campaign option from here. You have to just simply click on the campaign option from here, and once you click on the campaign, it will simply take you to this page, and where you can see the what's your campaign objective. You can just simply click on the create a campaign with the guidance. Just simply click on the continue. After that, here you will get the option of performance max, and just click on save and continue. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.